In this problem, we are asked to divide, so we have to think, what do we do first? Well, when dealing with division, first we keep change flip, so we change it to a multiplication problem, and then we factor all. So we're going to keep the first one, change division to multiplication, and flip the second one. Now it's a multiplication problem, so factor all numerators and all denominators. We have a trinomial, leading coefficient is 1. Last term is negative, we get opposite signs. Factors of 6 whose difference is 1. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, and the difference is 1. Larger factor gets that middle sign. Denominator, 2 terms, GCF or difference of squares. Oh, we have a common factor of 3. 2 terms, GCF or difference of squares. Difference of squares. And the last denominator is a trinomial. I'm going to set up my double parentheses. Leading coefficient is 1. Last term is positive, so both signs match the middle term. Factors of 9 that add up to 6. 3 times 3 is 9, and they add up to 6. So now we're ready to cancel common factors. Well, here's y plus 2. Do we see any y plus 2 in any of the denominators? Yes. Cancel, cancel. Y minus 3. There are no y minus 3's in the denominators. Y plus 3. Yes. Y plus 3 here and here. And of course, we already looked for y minus 3 and there were none. So what are we left with? Well, we have 2 factors of y minus 3 in the numerator. We could write it out as y minus 3 times y minus 3, or we can write it as y minus 3 squared. Either way is acceptable. In the denominator, we have 3 times y plus 3. Y plus 3. And we are done.